Prostormer 3/8 cordless ratchet kit features by 12-volt motor and delivers up to 30 ft-lbs of torque. Forward and reverse switch makes for simple changing between tightening and loosening nuts. This electric ratchet designed with an anti-slip grip and LED indicator. The lithium-ion battery is detachable and can be recharged, and the charging time of the battery is only 1 hour. So you can start your job right away. This power ratchet wrench can be widely used in many situations like auto mechanics, pipeline disassembly, scaffolding installation, mechanic breakdown service, and so on. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High efficiency. Powerful 12-volt motor delivers up to 30 ft-lbs of torque. Superior fastening speed with 230 revolutions per minute to tackle a variety of applications. Number 2. Compact and lightweight. At only 1.85 pounds, the ratchet wrench reduces user fatigue for a long period of use. Compact head design with 3/8 driver for working in tight spaces and engine bays. Number 3. Anti-slip grip. Humanized design soft rubber-coated grip brings anti-slip grip experience. Forward and reverse switch for easy changing direction. Number 4. Wide applications. Prostormer 3/8 cordless ratchet can be widely used in many situations like auto mechanics, scaffolding installation, mechanic breakdown service, and more. Number 5. What you get. 112 volts cordless ratchet wrench, 2.0 lithium-ion battery, 1 fast charger, 7 3/8 sockets, 3/8 to 1/4 socket adapter, 1 toolbox, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.